Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube Spanish. Hello, my name is Monica. I am in New Mexico. This is a uh, haul video, more specifically a vendor wax haul video. This is from south of Sanity. The owner's name is Virgil, and he is based out of New Mexico. So I ordered this on Friday, I believe, and today is Tuesday. So I got here pretty quick because luckily we're in the same state. I think he's like maybe like 4 hours away. So yeah, I got this pretty fast. So I was like surprised, and it was about an hour in our community mailbox. So I did stick it in the fridge for about half an hour. But yeah, the wax is intact. It did pretty good. So let's get started. Obviously, the first thing he gives you is the receipt with the thank you. Thanks, Virgil. And his wax on his labels, there's no scent notes because he said that that would spoil us, because this is my, I follow him on YouTube, South of Sanity's, I think that's his YouTube, yeah, scent notes. So I thought that was funny that he would spoil us with, so he don't put scent notes, because that would spoil us, because he wants us to work, do a little bit of work. So that's fine. So I did look up the notes. Oh, the second thing I got was I think I already have a, I have a, here's another sticker. I have one here. It's up here. I don't, you probably can't see it. And then a magnet. I don't have this one. I have the other one. So that's cool. And the other two add to my collection. The magnets I put in the fridge, obviously, and then the stickers, I put them here on this door. So I have the other one. It is still a pumpkin. And excuse my dogs, if you hear them, they are outside being brats. So let's see, which one is this one? Okay, so I'm just gonna go order of the notes I put. So he did give me samples, which thank you, because um, even though I could buy 4 of these bars, I can't buy everything. I mean, I wish I could buy everything, and I think in August, I don't remember what day, his candles come out. So these are just the wax melts, and I believe they're all available because I just went on the website. So the first sample that he gave me was Raven's Hollow. This was one of the ones I wanted to get. This is Hollow Fog, Raven Feather Musk, Cedarwood, and Cedarwood Smoke. And I think all his wax is white, I believe. You get the, it says Spooky Scale 7.5 out of 10. Soy paraffin wax blend. Yeah, I get a little bit of that musk and a little bit of that smoke. So yeah, it's pretty good. If I could, I would purchase this in a regular clamshell. So yeah, it smells pretty good. So I'm excited about this. So yeah, oh, I just hit, the smoke just hit me on the bottom. Oh yeah, that smells like something's burning right here. Not burning, but like smoke. The bottom just hit me. The top is more musky. Yeah, that smoke did. Yeah, smelled like a lit cigarette right there. So next one is the one I'm most excited about smelling, because this one I think is interesting. This is called Guising. And he has stories. So if you go on the website, you'll see the story behind it. This one is Halloween makeup and Halloween mask. So like I said, I thought this was interesting. And I don't, how do you do it? It's crazy. It smells like a plastic mask, but not plastic in a waxy chapstick, strawberry, or what is it, strawberry or watermelon, I think, from Sensi, comes off waxy chapsticky. But this is like that smell of Halloween mask. It's crazy. It's a face paint. That's what I smell. Yeah, it's crazy. Like his wax is beautiful, nice and marbled, and white. I just can't. It's it's crazy to me. And the next one, well, I'm excited about all of these, but yeah, it's called Tarot, and I like the design on this one. It's cool. This one is vintage books, sweet red licorice, and soft woods. Yes, I love all of those. I'm a book reader, so if you know, you know. And oh my god, the red licorice comes off first. It's so good. And the books are on the bottom. I don't really get to see wood. Yeah, licorice on top, and I love that marbled effects. The marble effects. Yeah, so that's pretty good. The next one is this one, Autumn Storm, and I'm trying to record these videos quickly because my husband went to go help his sister go to the store and do some stuff, and so when he's in here, the AC's on and it's hot in here, and it's a whole thing. So that's why I'm trying to do these quickly. Autumn Storm. He said me and my girlfriend painted the label on this one. Sorry. He's so silly. Autumn petrichor, wet leaves, damp tree bark, and autumn air. This one is good. Ooh, that that tree bark comes out. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Yeah, and a little bit of the petrichor. And I love the marble effect. It's like a brown going into like a blue or a black. Yeah, and that one's gonna be good to know. Yeah, I do like earthy ones. I am a Taurus, so I like earthy notes. Next sample is marshmallow pumpkin. One of the ones I do. All of the samples he gave me is ones that I wanted to buy. So thank you, Virgil. Toasted marshmallow and toasted pumpkin spice. This one's good. This one is that pumpkin comes out. It does smell like marshmallow pumpkin. Exactly what it says. Ugh, it's good. Get that pumpkin spice. It's a nice. It's weird because pumpkin spice I don't mind in wax, but Starbucks I don't like it. I just don't. I've never had. The next one is called purple pumpkin. This was the very first one that I grabbed because it's he was it him or somebody compared it to fairy tale pumpkin from Scentsy, which is midnight black raspberry, harvest pumpkin, and a whisper of black licorice. I do not like that. I cannot stand that one. Whenever I have that one, I either have to give it away or I hate milk. I cannot stand fairy tale pumpkin. Ugh. But I was excited about this one because this one says blackberry, pumpkin, plum, and a hint of anise, which is licorice. This one is delicious. Oh my god, that plum comes out. My god, I love plum scents, and it's a beautiful, beautiful purple's the one. Purple's my favorite color. And the anise is, oh, it's so good. The anise is on the bottom, you can smell it. Oh, I'm like almost want to lick it. Oh, it's like a the good. Do you guys remember those candy? They're called Neckos, and the purple one is the black licorice. That is my favorite candy, and when I see it in the dollar store, I grab like 3 or 4. I think sometimes I've even hauled videos with me having it because I love that candy scent. But that's one, and I think it's the plum. It adds something to it. And then this one, he was telling a story about it. He said that I think he made a candle of it, or there's a candle. I don't remember who made it, and he compared it to this. I believe that's what the story was. September Sun, and then the Yorkie on the cover is his dog. So I thought that was a cute little thing because I have 6 dogs. But this one I don't have the notes for. I think it's on his video. He talks about it, but I don't remember which video. And it is pretty bright and yellow. And I think maybe the candle's gonna be on this one. Hopefully, this is this one's nice and pretty. I can't really. Couldn't really tell you what it is, but it's a nice, pretty yellow scent. Yeah, and it's slightly masculine. But yeah, that's pretty. So that's it, guys. I got 4 bars, 3 samples, sticker, magnet. That is it. That is my haul from South of Sanity. Again, I got my order super quick in like 5 days because he's in the same state as I am, thankfully. And so, if you are following me, I have another series called In Wax We Trust, and that one I'm doing the all, hold on guys, yeah, and that one I'm doing all 50 states. I'm trying to buy wax from all 50 states, support local business, support small business, because businesses like this count on us, because like Pharmacist's daughter, I think she has a pre-order in August. Sometime after that, they're closing up shop. The Maid Collective is closing up shop. Who else? I think that was it. But like, if you don't support these small businesses, they'll go out of business, and we need to support small business so I can keep getting this wax because it's beautiful. And my favorite one, which because I can't stand Fairy Tale Pumpkin, is actually this one. This one is my favorite one because I love plum scents. Oh, my God, it's so good. This one is so good. So, yeah. Again, this is Monica. I am in New Mexico. My Scentsy website is SpanishHello.Scentsy.us, and I was looking to see when my join date was, and I keep saying it's October, but it's September 30th. So in another month, I'll celebrate 4 years with Scentsy. It's crazy. Anyways, go check out the sales section. There's a lot of stuff there because a lot of collections are coming out. I know that new NFL collection is coming out, and they're going to be mini warmers, and they're going to be helmets. So I already have the other mini warmer of the Green Bay Packers because that's my husband's team, and so the other full size warmers are on sale for like $35, $36. So once I get paid, I'm gonna go order that. Hopefully it's still in there because my husband wants that. And yeah, and we will talk to you guys